you hear that?
What is that?
It's an owl.
Owl? Where?
You hear that? It's like this.
Which way?
She's over there.
Guaritoto. That's how we call it in Venezuela. We are in the place here, Buraco do Padre.
Oi, galera, bom dia.
Oi, galera, bom dia. Como está, personal?
I'm finished.
Yes, no. We're on our way to Buraco do Padre, Santa Bárbara do Oeste, in this beautiful city. It's very close actually. We're gonna make for you all guys 24 kilometers, and we'll see how that place is gonna look.
Stay we are.
All right, don't go away, guys. Where? Oh, where? It's over there. All right, you see it, guys? Right. Okay, gotcha. Guaritoto. That's how we call it in Venezuela. Guaritoto, very dangerous. Big rush, poisonous. Awesome scratch you're gonna get. Yeah, poisonous, yeah. And the only way to take out that scratch, you're not rush. You gotta pee on the spot you got touch it from the plant. You know, so be careful if you're on the bush, you know. Okay, I think looking good here. All right, what do you think, Noah? Yeah. Okay, we are in the place, Buraco do Padre.
Buraco do Padre, located in Brazil, Santa Bárbara do Oeste. For those who live here in Santa Bárbara, it will be very easy to reach into this location. As you can see, the blue line. But the most interesting and fascinating is this bird form created from the nature.
Beautiful natural environment. We'll see all the details with the drone. So we're about to deploy the drone to see what's going on. All right, let's see how it is. Thank you very much, guys, to stay all this show here with us. Noah and me made it this short adventure for all of you guys. Until the next time, don't forget to subscribe to keep growing together and keep watching more nature, place, and adventure. All right, guys, until the next time, ciao, ciao.